Why your aesthetic workspace is actually killing your deep work focus today. That perfectly curated desk with RGB lights, minimalist setup, and aesthetic plants might look Instagram-worthy, but it could be destroying your ability to focus deeply. In this video, we'll expose the hidden productivity traps of modern aesthetic workspaces and how they quietly sabotage your concentration. Everyone is obsessed with building the ultimate aesthetic workspace in 2026. Soft lighting, marble desks, matching stationery, and aesthetic gadgets flood your feed. But here's the truth. These beautiful setups are often engineered for looks, not deep work. They create more distraction than discipline. Deep work, as Cal Newport defines it, requires intense focus without distraction. Yet your aesthetic workspace is full of visual stimuli, fairy lights, multiple monitors, decorative items, and color-coordinated everything. Your brain keeps shifting attention between beauty and actual work. The biggest problem: perfectionism. When your workspace looks like a Pinterest board, you spend more time maintaining the aesthetic than doing real work. Adjusting lights, cleaning dust from decor, or rearranging items becomes a procrastination ritual. Science backs this up. Research shows that highly stimulating environments increase cognitive load. Your brain uses mental energy just processing all the visual information around you. Instead of solving complex problems, minimalism often beats aesthetics for deep focus. Aesthetic workspaces trigger dopamine hits from novelty and beauty, not from progress. Every time you look at your setup, you get a small reward that makes boring deep work feel even harder. This is why you feel motivated to start, but crash after 20 minutes. Social media is the real culprit. You see influencers with flawless workspaces and think if I had that setup, I'd be unstoppable. Reality: their videos are staged. Your cluttered but functional desk might actually support better focus than their showpiece. Notifications become deadlier in aesthetic setups. Beautiful monitors and glowing keyboards make checking your phone feel like part of the aesthetic experience. One quick glance turns into 30 minutes of scrolling, killing your deep work session completely. Over-decoration creates decision fatigue. Choosing which pen matches your vibe, which notebook looks best, or which plant needs watering steals mental bandwidth before you even start your important task. The lighting trap is real. Those popular warm LED strips and neon signs look amazing on camera, but strain your eyes and disrupt your circadian rhythm. Poor lighting equals tired brain equals zero deep focus even in the most beautiful workspace. Many people confuse workspace aesthetics with actual productivity systems. A beautiful desk won't magically give you clarity or discipline. Only intentional systems, rituals, and strict environment control can truly protect your deep work time in 2026. Stop decorating. Start protecting. Real high performers and top creators often work in surprisingly plain environments. Famous writers using simple notebooks, programmers with basic monitors. Their superpower is removing distractions, not adding more aesthetic items. Here's the practical fix: create two zones. Use your aesthetic workspace for meetings, content filming, and light creative work, but switch to a minimal, distraction-free station when it's time for serious deep work. Apply the 80-20 rule to your desk immediately. Keep only 20% of the decorative items that genuinely help you focus. Remove the rest. Less visual noise equals dramatically better mental clarity and longer focus sessions. Noise-canceling headphones, a plain wall in front of you, and a simple timer beat any aesthetic setup for deep work. Your brain needs fewer inputs, not more beauty, to enter flow state consistently. Aesthetic fatigue is real and dangerous. After a few weeks, your beautiful setup stops exciting you, but the maintenance habit remains. You end up wasting time and energy to stop daily optimizing your workspace for views and likes. Optimize it for output instead. The real purpose of your desk is to help you ship important work daily, not impress strangers on the internet. Try this 7-day experiment. Cover or remove 50% of all decorative items from your desk right now. Track your deep work hours honestly. Most people see an immediate boost in focus and mental energy. The best workspace is the one that completely disappears when you work. You forget the environment and get lost in the task. If you keep noticing how aesthetic everything looks, you're not doing deep work. Your aesthetic workspace might be silently killing your deep work focus. But now you know exactly why. Balance beauty with function. Protect your concentration like your most valuable asset in 2026. Like if this was eye-opening. Comment your current setup below and subscribe for more raw productivity advice. Let's build workspaces that actually help us win. 318 chars.